Hello friends, this is from the team Happy Learnerholic. Today we are going to discuss about the daily challenge in Skill Rack. Let's go to the problem description. The problem is about interlaced vowels and consonants. The program must accept a string S containing only alphabets as the input. The program must print all the vowels in the string S in the order of their occurrence, interlaced with all the consonants in the string S in the reverse order of their occurrence as the output. Here, the first case is skill rack. Here, the consonants are S, K, L, L, R, C, K, and the vowels are I, E. First, we need to interlace in like one after the other. The output should be first vowels, then consonants, vowels, consonants, vowels, consonants. If no more vowels are available, we should print the consonants alone. The output will be I. Then the consonant should be in the reverse order, so from backwards I need to write it. I, K, then vowel A, then C, then no more vowels are available, so need to reverse these consonants and write it. R, L, C, it's K and then S. In the next test case, the input is heaven. Here the consonants are H, V, N and the vowels are E, A, E. So here first the vowel occurrence is E, then reverse order of consonants, so it is N, then again vowel A, then consonant V, then the vowel E, then the consonant H. This is the output. In the third test case, all are vowels, so we need to print it as it is. Since the consonants are empty, there is no interlace of vowels and consonants. Now let's go to the program. I'm getting the input as n is equal to input.stripe of. Then in the V, I'm having all the vowels A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U in caps also. In the variable consonants, I'm storing the consonant of the string using list comprehension. For I in N, if I not in A, E, I, O, that is if I is not vowel, then I need to append in my list consonants. After that, I am reversing my list also. Next, in the next step, in vowels, I am getting the vowels in the string. That is, for I in N, if I present in this string A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, if it is present over here, then I am appending in my vowels list. Next, I am finding the minimum length of both the lists, line of consonants, line of vowels. In this, which is minimum, I am having that in my variable mlen. First, I am printing till my minimum length. So, in the first case, the minimum length will be 2. So, till the second till 0 to 1, the values in vowels and consonants will be printed. After the remaining consonants, that is after the minimum length, what is left over will be printed. Now we will see for the first case through the program. I have the input skill rack. In my consonants list, it will be like S, K, L, L, R, C, K, and then I am reversing it, so it will be K, C, R, K, C, R, L, L, K, S. This is my reversed consonants list. Next, in the vowels, I will have I, A. I and A. Now, in my M length, the minimum length will be of the vowels list. So, in M length, it will be 2. So, my output will be first for I in range of 2. That is, first vowels of 0. In my 0th index, I will be there. In my consonants 0th index, K will be there. So K is printed. Again my for loop iterates. Now my I value will be 1. Vowels first index is A. So A is printed. Then my first index of consonant is C. C is printed. Now the for loop ends. The remaining will be in the consonants list. So if I take vowels M len is to till is to, then means nothing will be there in the vowels list. So it will be empty over here. And in my consonants M len is to, after this second index everything will be present, and I'm joining it through without spaces. So after second index, that is from R to S, everything is printed over here in this print statement. That is R, L, K and S. Similarly, for other cases, both the length are same. So only for loop will be executed, and in this print statement it will be empty. So nothing will be imprinted over here for the second statement. Then in the third case, the consonants list will be empty. So here the for loop will not be executed. And here the print statement, totally the vowels M length from 0 till the end of the list of vowels will be printed, and here consonants nothing will be there because the consonants list is empty. And that's all. Thanks for watching our video.